guys, this video I'm going to show to you if you have a layer 2 switch. Whenever you have a layer 2 switch, then how you can provide the internet access to your VLANs. So let's go and do the changes in your layer 3 switch. So first of all, what I'm trying to do now, I'm going to disable IP routing. So you can say no IP routing. Then after that, what I'm trying to do now, if you see here, show IP route, I cannot able to see anything, and again my default gateway is back as per my previous videos. So now if you see here, show IP interface brief, then there is couple of IP interfaces are there, SVS are there. So I'm going to delete those. ConFT, no interface VLAN number 10, no interface VLAN number 20, no interface VLAN number 30. So now because the problem is there is no purpose to create gateways inside my layer 2 switch. So if you type show IP interface brief, all interfaces are deleted now. So what I want to do now, the port which is connected from my PC to the switch, from my switch to the firewall, I need to make it as a trunk. So here if you see here, port number 23 in my switch, if you see show run interface fast ethernet 1/0/23, there is nothing configured. So I am going to do this interface fast ethernet 1/0/23 description connected to WatchGuard firewall on port 1. Then after that you can type switch port trunk encapsulation .1q. Then after that you can type switch port mode trunk. There you go. So now my port is going to come down and it's going to up again. So if you type show interface trunk, it can able to carry all the VLANs information to my firewall. So now in the firewall, what you are going to do here. So let's go to the firewall because I'm changing total scenario, guys. Okay, let's go to the firewall. So what you are going to do here. So go to the network and click on the configuration. So for this interface, I have to create multiple VLANs. So how to do that? If you see here, this is the which is already having 172.16.1.1. So on top of that, I'm going to create multiple VLANs. So let's wait for a few seconds. So now we need to configure the VLANs here in your firewall itself. So first of all, what you are going to do, go to the network, click on the configuration. Then after that, whatever VLANs you want to create, you can create it here. Add, let's say that VLAN number 1, which is my trusted interface 172.16.1.1/24. So I want to enable the DHCP for this. Click add 172.16.1.11. Then I just want to give 172.16.1.100. Then click OK. Then after that, click OK. Because the problem is the IP address is already used on interface 1. Because I am going to lose my connectivity, that's why I am going to do this. So for the time being, what I am going to do, let's go and use it another interface, which is my option number 3. So I can make it, I just want to create the VLANs. First I'll show it to you that VLAN number 10. So I want to give you 192.168.10.1/24. That don't be confused guys. Let's see here, just delete this subnet. Okay, click add. Then 192.168.10.11. Then after that 192.168.10.100. Then click OK. So this is for VLAN number 10 and it's for trusted zone. Then click OK. Now I'm going to create one more VLAN for VLAN number 20. Then this is for VLAN number 20. Then it belongs to trusted zone 192.168.20.1/24. Use the DHCP server. Click add 192.168.20.11. Then again 20.100. Then click OK. Then click OK. Now I want to create one more VLAN, which is VLAN number 30. Then 192.168.30.1/24. Then use the DHCP server. Click add 192.168.30.1. Then 192.168.30.100. So I want to start from 11, not 30.1. Then click OK. Then click OK. Now if you see here, I have created couple of VLANs and I have created the gateway as well as DHCP. Now go to interfaces. Then I'm going to choose interface number 2, which means just go here, configure, and just say VLAN. So this selected send and receive tag traffic for selected VLANs 10, 20 and 30. Then after that you can click OK. Then after that you can click OK. Then you can save the configuration. Okay guys, so before that you see here network, then you can see here the configuration. Hope you guys are clear on this. So if you go to VLAN, then I can able to see it says a member for interface number 2. If you want, you can keep it or you can remove it. So now what I want to do in my switch, I need to have a one more cable. That cable has to connect it to port number 23 to my port number 2, which is in the firewall. So just hold a minute guys, I just get one more cable. So here I just want to tell you one thing guys. Already I have connected through this interface. Port number 1 I have connected. So what I want to do, I don't want to disturb that. Why? Because if I disturb that, I'm going to lose my connection. So actually this port number 1 is connected to port number 23 in my switch. So I'm going to put it back again. Just stop this. I'm going to put it back again. Hope you guys are understand what I'm trying to tell you guys. I believe I'm going to explain to you here because what is my issue exactly. See here, right now here this is my WatchGuard firewall. Port number 0 is connected to my internet connection, which is port number 0, and port number 1 I connected to port number 23 in my switch. So right now I made this port as a trunk port, but already I have assigned the IP address, which is 172.16.1/1, and in my switch side I configured already 172.16.1.5/24, and this is belongs to VLAN number 1. So if I configure as a trunk, I am going to lose the connectivity, because now what I have done, I am going to make port number 2, and that port I am planning to connect to my switch for port number 24, and I want to make it trunk. Why? Because through this interface, all VLANs information I'm going to forward to port number 2. So I'm going to make it this port number 23 again back to as an access port, and it belongs to VLAN number 1. Hope you guys are understand. Because if I delete this, I can lose the connectivity from my firewall. So I don't want to do that. So that's why I'm going to do these steps now. And again, as you know that port number 10 is belongs to VLAN number 10, and port number 11 is belongs to VLAN number 20. Port number 12 is belongs to VLAN number 30. So it's again everything is same, and all the gateways, the DHCP pool, everything is configured in my firewall, because this firewall right now my switch is layer 2 switch. Hope you guys are understand what I'm trying to tell you guys. Let's see now. I'm going to do that. So I'm going to put it back again, port number 23. So simply you can go to configuration mode, say default interface fast ethernet 1/0/23. So I'm going to put it back, interface 1/0/23, description connected to WatchGuard on port number 1. So I'm going to make switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN number 1, spanning tree port fast. There you go. Now verification, ping 172.16.1.1. Yes, I got the reply. Now what is the next, guys? The next one is that port number 24, interface fastnet 1/0/24, description connected to WatchGuard on port number 2, not port number 2, 01, and yes, it's a 2. I made mistake there. Switch port trunk encapsulation .1q, switch port mode trunk. That's it. I believe I made a mistake there, because in the description, if you see here, I'm sorry, fast ethernet 1/0/23, should say port number 1. Yeah, that's correct. I'm sorry. This is correct. Yes. Now let's go and do that. Let's go and do that. Exit from here. I don't have any problem so far. But again, in the firewall, I need to do couple of changes, guys. Because did you remember that? So this is already, if you see, the VLANs has tagged properly for port number 2. That is fine. And here I have written the reverse routes in the previous video. So right now I don't want any reverse routes. Why? Because my gateways, everything is configured here. So my firewall, he knows about all the VLANs. So this is okay. Now save the configuration. There you go. Save S. Now so far everything is fine. Now what I'm going to do, in the firewall, take one cable, connect it to, because I just want to open to you the switch so that I can able to, everybody can see. Port number 24 in the switch is connected to port number 2 in the firewall. Let's go. There you go. Yeah, port number 24 is up. That's the beauty. Yes. Now my NAT is already there. I no need to do anything for 10 network, 20 network, and 30 network. And I just want to see it here. Where is my configuration? My interface is up. I believe it's up. Yeah. All VLANs are tagged for this. That's perfectly all right. So if you go to the VLANs, These are all trusted interfaces, and let's specify the DNS as well. Test.local, that's my DNS server. 213, good. Okay, and 195, good. Click OK. Say OK, and do the same thing for my VLAN number 20. Test.local. Click add. Perfect. Then add one more DNS. Oh, okay, it's already used, so I need to give 2 and 3. Yeah, perfect. Then after that, click OK. Let's go to the VLAN number 30. Edit. Then go down and specify the DNS. Same. Text.local. Add. Click OK. Then add one more DNS server. Click OK. Click OK. OK now. Say OK. Now just write it in my Firebox. There you go. So far, let me check my test PC. So first of all, I just put continuous ping. There you go. And I need to check whether I got the IP address or not. Yes, I got the IP. Now for you guys to understand what I'm trying to show it to you, let's go and connect my test PC into VLAN number 10, which is port number 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. Let's go and connect it. Okay. There you go. Perfect. I can able to see the ping, and I got the IP from VLAN number 10. That's clear. Now let's connect my test PC into, let's go into port number 11, and it belongs to VLAN number 20. That is also fine. Yeah, it's fine. So let's click it's my work network. There you go. And finally for VLAN number 30, which is port number 12. So there you go. Yes, coming up. Perfect. So check the IP address. So far everything is working fine. So in case if in your layer 2 switch, you no need to do any kind of routing and all. And make sure that, my question is that, now I'm here. Yes. My question is that I'm trying to ping 172.16.1.5. So let's check it whether I have a route or I have a routing is there between this trusted to optional or not. So what I'm going to do now, let's try to do one more thing. So I need to add a policy here. Add a policy. Go to packet filters. Then after that, I'm trying guys because whether it's going to work or not. So I'm going to give you TCP and UDP, all the traffic. Add a policy. from your trusted to add to any optional, or the traffic is coming from, you can able to specify the specific VLAN as well. So right now the traffic is coming here. I believe what is the IP address of this computer? It's VLAN number 30. So let's keep continuous ping. So I'm going to say allow this. So add, click OK, click OK. Now you can save it into the firebox. Admin, read, write. Okay. Now one more thing is that now when traffic coming from VLAN number 30 to any trusted interface, I just want to allow that as well. So I'm going to create one more. Where is my TCP and UDP? That's correct. All the traffic from TCP. Any traffic, okay, just remove this interface, which is from VLAN number 30 to any trusted interface. There you go. Click OK. Okay. So now the traffic is from VLAN number 30 to trusted. Let's go and read, write. Click OK. Save it. Save the configuration. Hopefully I can able to see the ping. Right. Then finally I understood that there is one important thing is there, guys. Right now, once if you configure any VLANs or anything inside in your firewall, the firewall is going to inspect each and every traffic, whether it's going based on your policies, whether it's going to allow or deny. Now the traffic is coming from VLAN number 30 to trusted interface, but it's not allowing because actually I am sitting here with another computer in VLAN number 30. Unfortunately, they are not able to ping each other. So what I am going to do here, just add the policy. Then after that, go to packet filters. There you can able to see ping. If you see here, just click ping, then add a policy. When the traffic is coming from VLAN number 30, let's go to VLAN number 30, add it here, then click OK. Then after that, I just want to add to any trusted interface. Then click OK. Then click OK now. There you go. The ping is allowed. Then save. Read, write. There you go. Then after that, click save. Click yes. Then that's it. Now I can able to see the ping. Few seconds. That's it. Now I can able to see the ping. So now I'm trying to do one more thing. From VLAN number 30, can I able to do the telnet to my switch? That's what I'm trying to do now. So just open the telnet box, port number 23. Now I'm saying that 172.16.1.5. Can I do the telnet? See here, there is not only the ping is allowed, but the TCP and UDP traffic is blocked. So what I want to do, I need to create a policy for my telnet. Let's go and do that. Packet filtering. Then just verify it, where is the telnet. OPQRST. That is the beauty of this. Then add a policy. So when the traffic is coming from VLAN number 30, okay, add to any, trusted, add, not external, then I want to allow the telnet access. So just go to logging, send a log message so that I can able to see whether it's happening or not. Then save this, then say read and write, then click OK. Then save the configuration. Now I am going to try again whether I can able to do that. There you go. I can able to access now admin Cisco. So everything is based on your policies. It's going to work. Now if you type who, then it's going to show it to you from VLAN number 30 somebody is connected. There you can see that. That's it. See here 192.168.30.11. So far everything is allowed, guys, so you no need to worry. So now what I'm trying to do now, I just specifically allowed the specific traffic only. So in case if you tell me that no, I want to allow everything, then let's try with this. Okay, click TCP and UDP, all the traffic. Yes, add a policy. So when the traffic is coming from VLAN number 30, then it should access any trusted interface. There you go. So now save this, read and write, then click OK. Save this configuration, replace the file. So do again, new session. So I just want to do the telnet for port number 23, then 172.16.1.5 admin Cisco. So far now all the traffic is allowed there. Okay, now if you see here again who, I can able to see the 192.168.30.11. There you go. Perfect. Because I opened 2 times in the same computer, that's why I can able to see 2 sessions, telnet sessions. Yeah, from the same computer. So the first one session is 1 and second session is 2. Hope you are enjoying these videos, guys, because you try to watch it 2-3 times so that you can able to understand exactly. Thank you for watching.